Hi everybody, and welcome to this episode of Beth's Best. Today we are doing something absolutely fabulous. We've gotten the opportunity to tour a 3-bedroom grand villa at the Villas at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. I cannot wait. This place is huge. It's got 4 separate sleeping areas, 3 bedrooms and a media room. It's got 4 bathrooms. Oh my God, let's do this. Your home for Disney room tours, guides, and reviews. Hit subscribe and the bell. Okay, we are about to check out a 3-bedroom grand villa at the Villas at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. All of the 3-bedroom grand villas here have a lake view. You can't see Cinderella Castle, but you will be able to see Space Mountain. You'll be able to see the new Tron construction. You'll be able to see the boats going by. It's a really lovely view, and this room is spectacular, so let's get into it. Welcome to room 1101. This is a 3-bedroom grand villa at the Villas at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. We're on the first floor. All of the grand villas are on the end of the building with a lake view. Coming into the room, you know you're going somewhere special because there's this incredible entrance foyer with a lovely gold shimmery wallpaper. It's just the perfect way to welcome you into the room. You know you're going to be somewhere grand when you step in. Now, these villas start at a mere 112 points per night, and they sleep up to 12 guests. There is a primary or a master bedroom with a king-size bed. There are 2 secondary bedrooms with 2 queen-size beds. And then there is a bonus, a 4th sleeping space, which we will see with a queen-size sleeper sofa. In total, this room has 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and 2 balconies, for a total of 2,800 square feet, making it the largest grand villa on property. So this is the kitchen, which is open to the dining room. Did you see that dining table? Absolutely massive. And your living room space, plenty of room to spread out in this kitchen and in this unit. Again, it's 2,800 square feet. Great farmhouse sink. I love that you can look out from the kitchen into that common area where everybody's going to be hanging out. Tons of light coming in through those windows on the end. Now to the left is going to be our hallway with our 2nd and 3rd bedroom. This is the first secondary bedroom, and this is the bedroom that does not have a bathroom attached. There is a bathroom for this room, but it's across the hallway. Again, you've got 2 queen beds and you've got balcony access. So this is probably going to be your kid room, your designated kid space if you have kids in your party. Nice desk, small closet, and then we will see the bathroom across the hallway, which services this bedroom in a moment. Here it is. You're going to notice the same fixtures and finishings that we have in the studios and in the 1-bedrooms here at the Villas at the Grand Floridian. Same tile work that we've seen before in the other units. If you want to check out a studio, a 1-bedroom, or a 2-bedroom unit here at the Villas at Grand Floridian, I will put the links for those above and below. Notice that you've got a great little soaker tub here. There's no jets, but it is deep enough to take a tub if you need to do that, or if you've got kiddos in your party. As I said, it would be a great kids room. Now, you'll notice because this is a 3-bedroom, there is a secondary entrance for guests sleeping on this side of the unit, so you can come in and go out of this room without disturbing anybody that might be on the other side of the villa. So coming down the hallway, you've got your 3rd bedroom, which is going to have an ensuite attached bathroom. It's going to have the same balcony access as the other bedroom as well. Coming back down the hall into that main living space, again, you can see that dining room table that seats easily up to 10 guests. This room does sleep up to 12, so they do give you a couple of extra chairs to pull up if you need to. Come down the other end of the unit and you've got this media room. This is the only Grand Villa that has this kind of space. This is also going to be your surprise 4th bedroom or 4th sleeping area, because that couch does pull out into a queen size sleeper sofa. So nobody needs to sleep in the living room here. You have your own room with a door, which is fabulous. And you also have across the hall, you're going to have your own 4th bathroom. There's the washer and dryer for this unit, unlike the normal 1 and 2 bedroom villas here at Grand Floridian that have a top bottom stackable washer dryer. That's a side by side, so it's a little bit nicer. And again, here's that 4th bathroom for guests sleeping in the media room. Nice walk-in shower. It does not have the soaker tub, but it does have a nice walk-in shower. And now we're heading into the master bedroom, and man, is it a whopper. Check out that bed. It's just incredible. Fit for a king or a queen, as what you would expect here at the villas at Grand Floridian. And starting at 112 points per night, that's what you would expect or hope for at that price point. Nice big king size bed. You've got balcony access, same balcony that's accessible via the media room as well. And being the master or primary bedroom, you've also got a walk-through double closet area, and then your own private bathroom that's really quite spacious. Walking through the closet area into the bathroom, we've got double sinks, same TV in the bathroom mirror that we've seen in all the bathrooms, same granite, marble tiles, nice deep soaker tub. That baby does have jets if you're wondering. Private area for the toilet, and you have an absolutely massive walk-in shower. I thought the showers in the 1 and 2 bedroom units were big, and they are. Again, I'll link that above and below so you can compare, but the shower in this 3 bedroom master bedroom is just incredible in this Grand Villa. Look at that. Wow. That was the tour. So now let's talk about the villas at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. Now this is arguably the flagship resort here on Walt Disney World property. So there are a lot of people who really covet it and really love staying here. It's a very small DVC building, so getting in here can be difficult, and the point chart does tend to be higher than some of the other resorts. Now, all of the villas here are really beautiful. They all have that consistency of theming, but right between Mary Poppins and also Dumbo. You're not going to get a lot of Mickey accents here. A lot of high-end finishes like marble tiles. You've got coffered ceilings. You've got crown molding. I really like the vibe here, but I know for some people it can be a little too stuffy. Now, one of the great things about this resort is the location, and I mean that in a couple of different ways. Your location, you are close to Magic Kingdom. You can now walk to Magic Kingdom. There's a new walkway that recently opened, so you can, use your own pedal power to get back and forth. You can also take the monorail to Magic Kingdom, and you can also take a boat. But you can not only take those modes to Magic Kingdom, you can also take them to the other monorail resorts. So you have easy access to Disney's Polynesian Village and Villas and Bungalows, if you want to check out any of those room tours. I have videos on both the studios and the bungalow, which I will link above and below for you. And then you can also access Disney's Contemporary Resort. Again, DVC room tours there, which I will link above and below for your convenience. So that means that you can use the dining, for example, at those different resorts. So if you're staying here at the Grand Floridian, you can just walk. There's a short little walking path over to the Poly, and you can have dinner at Kona, for example. So that's super convenient. You can take the resort monorail to the TTC, or the Transportation and Ticket Center, and from there you can get the Epcot monorail when that's running. If it's not running, you'll be taking a bus. You're only going to really take a bus if you're going to Disney Springs, if you are going to Animal Kingdom, or if you're going to Hollywood Studios. So the location here is absolutely fabulous. You have tons of amenities. Speaking of amenities, the Grand Floridian Resort and the villas here have some of, if not the most dining resorts of any of the DVC properties. You've got tons of dining options here. We'll start all the way at the top. You've got Victoria and Albert's, was the AAA 5-diamond restaurant. So if you're looking to celebrate like an anniversary, a big birthday, that is the kind of place you're gonna blow it out, okay? Really, really nice. They've got signatures here like Citricos and Narcoossee's, and then you've got table service, you've got 1900 Park Fare, which is one I always forget about. I know some people really like it. And you've also got the Grand Floridian Cafe, which didn't used to be great, but actually it's really stepped up its game in the last couple of years, and I enjoy it quite a bit. You've got the afternoon tea when that's running. That's a really fun way to spend an afternoon if you have somebody who's into that sort of thing. I really enjoy it. And then at the quick service level, you've got Gasparilla Grill, which is great, and it's also on mobile order. So there's a lot to like here. You've got 2 pools, you've got a main feature pool, and you've also got a quiet pool. And this is Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. So of course you have a spa available to you. It's a Senses Spa. This is one of 2 big Senses locations on property here. The other one is over at Saratoga. So maybe you want to spend an afternoon hitting up a spa, getting a massage. Yeah, that sounds pretty good to me after a long day at Disney, for sure. There's a lot to love here, as I said. People really covet here. Now, I want to know, have you stayed at the villas at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa? If you have, what did you think? Are you into it? Are you not into it? Is it on your wish list, your dream bucket list? If it is, definitely let me know in the comments, because I totally feel you. Until a couple years ago, I had never stayed here myself, so I absolutely get what you're saying. If there are other resorts that you want me to check out, you want me to tour for you and give you my feedback, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what it is that you want to see me do next. And be sure to hit the like button if you got anything out of this video, and I'll tell you why. That helps out with the YouTube algorithm. So YouTube learns about the quality of a video from the people who view it based on your engagement. So if you like or comment on a video, that lets YouTube know that it is quality content, and it will help it be more searchable. It'll come up higher in the search results for other people who are looking for this types of content. So if you got anything out of it, please do me a favor and hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell. That way you'll know when I drop my next video. I've got tons of new videos coming, including new content over at the Polynesian. So definitely hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.